Welcome to the module on changing trends in housekeeping department. Hotel housekeeping needs to meet the leading challenges which have to be in an organized manner. It can lead to the growth opportunities and the long-term profitability of a hotel. Housekeeping department in a hotel has undergone changes over a period of time with advancement in technology and modernization. The emerging trends in housekeeping departments lead to a significant changes in efficiency and product quality in the housekeeping department. This module arguments the new urgency helps to develop a new trends in a hotel housekeeping domain specific for a manifold benefit. According to Kuchar, the land cost is going up. The upcoming hotels needs to be well designed with a high degree of aesthetic and maximum space management. The approach needs to be futuristic in order to have a pace with increasing consumer demands. This not only improves the overall efficiency of the department but also boosts the morale of the cleanliness associate. After reading this module, you will be enabled to describe the emerging trends in the housekeeping and also the list out the application of the information technology in the housekeeping department. Let us discuss why a changing trends have to be adapted in a housekeeping department. Housekeeping department is responsible for bringing in a largest share of the profit to an accommodation operation, but this fact is hardly acknowledged and veterans of an industry too often must consider its thankless job. Housekeeping operations are increasingly becoming a scientific and mechanically. When efficiently managed, housekeeping department ensures the cleanliness, safeguarding and aesthetic entry of the hotel. The tasks performed by the housekeeping departments are pivotal to the horizontal daily operation of any hotels. Nowadays, housekeeping departments in a hotels to meet a leading challenges trends and best practices as a eco-friendly practices, outsourcing, IT, information technology, training given to the housekeeping personnel, retention of the employees, payroll performance and ergonomics of the techniques. When the hotels implement these trends in an organized manner, it can lead to the hotel growth opportunities and long-term profitability. In mid-1990s, major changes had been noticed, but the use of technology has changed the style and functioning of the department in the large way by the application of increased professionalism. In the modern world, professional housekeepers are striving to get a housekeeping operation in a scientific and mechanical way. In the present stringent competitive scenario, maintaining a hotel in a very tough and satisfying a guest is even tougher. Currently in India, over 2 lakhs hotel rooms are swell across the hotel categories and guest houses until facing a shortfall of over 1 lakh rooms. When every room was constructed, 3 to 4 jobs are created. According to the World Travel and Tourism Council reported have estimated that 8% annual escalations in the job can be noted in India. Also, the Indian Hotel Industry Report by the year 2011 estimated in the next 2 years a total investment is about 545.2 billion is expected will add over to 20. A new international brand in the hospitality sector. As hospitality industry grows, it will face a lots of challenges which lead to increase in the latest trends in diverse sections of the hospitality. The hotels are generating optimum revenue by major operating departments like housekeeping, which deals with the scheduled operations of the hotel. This module has its focal point on the latest trends that the hotels can use to expand the revenue from the accommodation operation. The progression in the hotel industry must follow a new trend to develop a unique commodity value or services mode in order to keep the domains in the intense competition. In order to compete with challenges, the hotel housekeeping department must adapt these latest trends in the industry. The first one is the outsourcing. In the present era, the housekeeping focuses on the outsourcing, which is a better business strategy to meet the demands of the hotel standards, and it will help in reducing the manpower gap. The availability of a suitable personnel and also proves to be the best solution for any specialized task, as it is a cost-effective services. Over the past 5 years in India, the outsourced services has witnessed a huge growth in the housekeeping department. It also brings both man and the machine to deliver the quality as per the standard norms. Today, housekeeping demands a skilled specialization, which in turn requires a sizable investment in terms of infrastructure and the equipments required to achieve a superior result. Housekeeping experts gives the opinion that outsourcing proves to be the best solution for many specialized tasks and at the same time to meet the demand of the quality standard. The jobs that are generally outsourced are garden maintenance, management of the wet areas such as swimming pool, gym maintenance, laundry services, then floor care, carpet care, horticulture, in the public area cleaning, terrace maintenance, pest control, exterior window cleaning and marble polishing. These areas do not have a direct contact of the housekeeping staff with an individual guest. Therefore, outsourcing the public areas cleaning and maintaining does not affect the chance of getting the reputed guest in terms of housekeeping services. The outsourcing cuts down the training needs for operating these machines and the safety hazards that are often involved, as well as need for investment in machinery that is not used frequently. The next concept is on training program adapted in the housekeeping department. Training and motivating the employees in a hotel housekeeping is a fundamental in the present scenario. Staffs are the nucleus of the business and will have a major hand in determining its success. The need for improved productivity has become universally accepted, and that depends on the efficient and effective training is not less standard. It has further become essential in the view of advancement in modern world to invest in training. Today, housekeeping jobs are the major machinery oriented, and training is crucial to maintain a high levels of performance and productivity standard. Another upcoming training trend is that housekeepers collaborating with the hotel management institutions for theoretical knowledge, where the institution faculty delivers the lecture sections to the housekeeping staff. The training for the housekeeping staff has to be divided into 4 parts. Those are attitudinal, technical, soft skills and SOPs. Once a certain activity outsourced, training section will not be take place in the hotel industry. The need have to be collaborate efforts required between the hotel housekeepers and the hotel management institute for theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge. The next concept is on the information technology, which has been applied in the housekeeping department. Housekeeping department invested strongly in the information technology to generate a new technologies in the housekeeping department. The new technologies are Wi-Fi, radio frequency identification, GPS, that is nothing but the global positioning system. Next one is on voice over internet protocol. In short, we will indicating as VoIP. Then handheld communication devices and wireless local area networks are developing rapidly. Many types of softwares having a comprehensive housekeeping applications are being used today in the hotels. With the help of the technology, customers involved in the service delivery has been increased. Housekeeping staff can now conduct a room check after the guest vacates the room through a wireless way or through the Wi-Fi enabled devices to report the status of the room. In emergency situation, they can communicate through the email, and the staff can also ensure about the functioning and the check inventory information for the guest room supplies and to reimburse in the effective way. The housekeeping manager can also contact the workers and identify the location quickly, resulting in quicker response time. In most hotels today, VoIP is the fundamental enabling technology that converts the voice signals into the forms that can be sent over a data network, such as the internet or one of the typical local area network. Many software packages are now available in India that provides a specific application for housekeeping operation. This technology greatly reduces the cost of the individual wiring in each guest room. An interface can be created between the telephone system and the CPU of the hotel computer network by GRA, dialing a specific sequence of the numbers on the phone for a specific guest room. Once connected, the computer immediately recognizes the room numbers to which it's being connected. After the connection is established, a specific list of dial-up codes become available to the GRA. The next new concept that is followed in the housekeeping department is a special softwares. Housekeeping operation modules are now an integral part of the integrated hotel management software, such as forecasting the GRA requirements, the daily housekeeping scheduling, tracking the housekeeping history, and monitoring the GRA performance. For example, the HotelEx offers housekeeping module that works in a complete systematic with a front desk, and to keep it simple, it is a single screen snapshot with most current room information organized neatly in a tabular format. Now let us discuss about the forecasting the GRA requirement. This is designed to forecast the total number of GRAs needed each day in the future based on the current in-house occupancy and staffing and expected arrivals and departure over the forthcoming period. This can also forecast the staff requesting up to 365 days in advance. The next important aspect that has been carried out in the changing trend is a daily housekeeping scheduling. This application can automatically create and print a cleaning schedule each day for each GRA based on the number of dirty rooms, estimated cleaning time needed per room, and the number of GRA in the establishment. The housekeeping status screen is the core element of the system and tracks each. Next concept is on other application of IT in the housekeeping department is an alert of the housekeeper tray detection technology through a triangular sensor on a tray triggers another sensor in the doorway to the housekeeping department by blinking the light. In this application, the guest click a button which sets off another sensor to indicate they are gone and the room can be cleaned. While going through the typical routine in a guest room, a room attendant may notice a problem such as leakaging in the western closet or malfunctioning of the thermostat. The housekeeper can pick up the room phone and follow through a protocol to identify a specific problem, and they can report immediately and alerts the proper maintenance person through the wireless phone. The major trend in the hotels is towards becoming more eco-sensitive. The housekeepers are developing and adapting a new ways to conserve water, energy, and optimum for the eco-friendly amenities and the products. Use of ozone in various areas in the housekeeping department, particularly in the big step towards the environmental protection. Here we are going to discuss about the environmental friendly practices that has been adapted in the housekeeping department. In the current scenario, housekeeper have to adapt and develop a spectacular emerging trends in his or her daily task so that the hotel can go for Ecotel certification. Focuses on the green practices than reusing the sheets and towels have to be followed. Starting from the purchase of the site, amenities, commodities and practices in adapting a new ways to conserve water and energy, which will reduce the solid waste and save the huge amount of revenue. Through the different ozone treatment in the hospitality industry, ecotel practices are adapted. They are in the hotel rooms and in the public areas. The air can be treated by ionoser. Second aspect is to improve the quality of indoor air in the guest room through ionizers that can be used to remove the smoke and off odor. 1 gram module to disinfect the air more effectively in the public areas. This ionizer can be used. The ionizer is a disinfect, remove turbidity and unpleasant taste and odor from the water to provide a safe drinking water within a few seconds. When the ozone is being injected to the water, the entry point of the pool to disinfect the water, this type of treatment makes the water clear, sparkling, appealing and prevent the swimmers from any type of infection. Next concept is ergonomics, which is nothing but adapting the work simplification technique and reducing the body movement and save energy. Ergonomics deals with the study of body movement in relation to the housekeeping profession, different tasks performed which have a significant impact on the work fatigues. Housekeeping is a physically demanding profession and work environment has an impact on efficiency and comfort of the employees. Ergonomics is a scientific discipline which deals with interaction between the employees and elements of their work system. The next new trend that has been adapted in the housekeeping department is the pest control. As a regular services in the hotel industry, the integrated pest management approach have to be followed by the engineering and maintenance department as also in the F&B department and housekeeping departments to prevent and control the pest through preventive and corrective measures have to be taken. The next concept is on the safety and security. Hospitality operations are large and small, extremely susceptible to the security hazards. The operation involves the presence of a wide range of people, most of whom are unknown, possesses a considerable threat to the security of the property. The risk of fire also serious. The incidence of the hotel fires causing loss of the life and the serious damage to the property has increased in recent years. Some key security features seen nowadays are safety chain and double lock facilities on the main room door and the entrance doors lined with the environmental seal to minimize the noise and protect the room from the external smoke in case of fire, smoke, the heat detectors and the water sprinklers in each room for enhanced fire safety, double locking facility for the entrance door and bathroom doors. CCTV and scanning system, X-ray machines, electronic locks in room safes, hand metal detectors, fire safety system for kitchen hoods and surveillance system for car screening. The safety refers to the physical injury in a work environment and security refers to the anticipation of theft, fire and other emergency. OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Act, was enacted in the year 1970 to protect the workers at workplace. OSHA standard covers the work areas, sanitation, signs and tags, first aid, blood-borne pathogens, listing hazardous chemicals, labeling all the chemical containers and developing a writing hazard communication program. OSHA also assure the safe and healthful working condition for working men and women by setting and enforcing standards and by providing a training, outreach, education and assistance. Security in hotels is a broad task for protecting both people and assets. The two authors, Macmillan and the Rooster, in the year 2006 observed a study and found out that environmental technology, human resource, operation and security are the complex set of challenges which cannot be ignored by the manager for being successful. The next concept is on employee retention. The employee retention or turnover of the employees in the hotel industry is a major challenge. It is even harder in the housekeeping department as it has got a long work schedule, less compensation, physically demanding tasks, high pressure environment and uncomfortable work culture, which leads to a high turnovers in the housekeeping. So the organization have to take appropriate measure on formulation and implementation of a dynamic retention strategy to reduce the employee turnover. The payroll analysis is an important task in a housekeeping department. Payroll analysis is nothing but a number of a room cleaned daily, the VIP arrivals, stay or stay over, checkout, deep cleaning schedules and other items that can be affect the labor cost as measured. The payroll analysis determines the total monthly labor cost and find out the ways to cut the various labor costs which ensure that unnecessary labor is not being used when the business is not in demand, especially in housekeeping. Some of the emerging trends that have to be adapted in the housekeeping departments are: in the guest room, blackout curtains can be operated by the remote system, whereas in bed making process, flush pillows and comforts of 8 to 10 inches mattresses can be used for good sleep. To increase the linen lifespan, high thread count can be selected. Contemporary designs and more greenery in the rooms can be used. The guest supplies can be branded amenities and aromatherapy products have to be purchased. To summarize this module, housekeeping is not only about performing a cleaning service. The challenge is to constantly maintain the upkeep and cleanliness standards throughout the hotel by adapting innovative trends and practices in housekeeping. The important solution is to prepare the hotel housekeeper to face challenges on a precautionary causes of success factors of the hotel housekeeping and is a revolutionary trends or the best housekeeping practices. To become more energetic and innovative, new trends must be implemented and incorporated in the hotel housekeeping, following a standard operating procedure and work manual strengthened through a new trends and demand of the hospitality sector. Various tools are used to generate an optimum output in a hotels, but there is a strong need of optimum utilization of the resources available, manpower, supplies and new scientific trends like ergonomics practices. Eco-friendly practices can be done by various ways like energy conservation, waste management, ozone treatment, reduce, recycle and reuse. Payroll analysis have to be adapted in the housekeeping department. All these trends and practices undoubtedly lead to a hotel growth and long-term success, resulting into purely a guest satisfaction and meeting the industry standards. Thank you.